Graphic designing.
graphic designer.
Graphic designers.
Do you also hear this? So let's teach you. Here's how to start as a graphic designer in English. 1. Learn the basics of graphic design. Understand design principles like color theory, typography, and layout. Learn basic tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, beginner-friendly software like Canva. 2. Get the necessary tools. Invest in a good computer or laptop suitable for design work. Install essential software, Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, free alternatives like GIMP or Inkscape. 3. Take online courses. Learn graphic design from these platforms. Free videos on YouTube platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare websites like Canva Design School or Behance. 4th, practice and build a portfolio. Create sample designs like logos, flyers, or posters. Upload your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. Work for friends, nonprofits, or small businesses for free or at a low cost to gain experience. 5. Develop your unique style. Study professional designs, but focus on creating original work. Experiment with different styles and find your niche, such as branding, UI UX, or packaging. 6th, start freelancing. Register on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Set reasonable prices as a beginner. Network with clients.